Assalamu alaikum. I am Naim Islam Shanto from Notre Dame College, Dhaka. The name of my project is Multifunctional Robot Car. The objective of this project is to observe and interact in an environment which is not accessible or unsafe for humans. For example, regions that face nuclear disaster, fire accident, and other natural and man-made disasters. Besides, it will collect information about the place being observed. This car features driving mode, line follower mode, obstacle avoidance mode, environment monitor, surveillance and data collection mode to achieve the mentioned objectives. All of these features are controlled by this mobile app. I have developed this mobile app using MIT App Inventor platform. Bluetooth communication is used to operate the vehicle. A central Arduino Uno maintains communication with few other microcontrollers and with the mobile app via the Bluetooth module. Building a working robotic arm was a real challenge. I had to change the design, software and hardware to make it work. I have spent many hours learning and experimenting the relevant things. Most of the cases, things didn't work at first attempt. I had to change design and implement things again. Besides, coordinating all these features with the mobile app was a difficult task which required hours of debugging. It's not the end. I am still learning advanced things which I will be implementing very soon to make this project more practical. Here's the end of our presentation part. Welcome to the demonstration part. Our very first feature is driving mode. We can drive the car in any direction using the soft joysticks in the mobile app. The next strength of the car is its obstacle avoidance capability. We can program this feature to complete a desired mission, but for this demonstration we have the very basic obstacle avoidance programmed in it. This vehicle is also capable of line following. With the combination of the obstacle avoidance and line follower, we can find paths in challenging situations. Then comes the most useful part of the project. It is the robotic arm. We have a camera attached on it. The robotic arm aligns the camera to a desired direction and we can technically observe each and every corner of the subject. This camera is also capable of capturing time lapse of the place. This is not the only way of observing the place. This car has a dedicated board for measuring environmental data. The board turns on once the mode is selected from the app. Then the car will be sending those data to the mobile app after a certain interval of time. We can also interact with the environment by the vehicle. The robotic arm can pick up objects and place it to a desired position. Besides, we can locate the object using the previously demonstrated line following feature. I hope this model project can be turned into a successful product by reinforcing the features. By this, we can save life and resources in disastrous conditions and bring a positive impact. Thanks for watching the presentation. Assalamu alaikum.